This laptop stand has helped me so much with neck strain because it just lifts it that little bit off of the table where you're not staring down all of the time, and it just makes it so much more comfortable to get a lot of work hours in. I also love that it fits pretty much any size laptop because there are no ledges except for this one on the front that keeps it in place. And I even use it on my lap sometimes, which it's definitely not meant to be used this way, but it works for me. It has a pretty shiny glittery silver finish to it, and these non-slip pads where the laptop goes, so it's a soft surface to put your laptop on. Because if you're like me, I avoid putting my laptop on hard surfaces. I always like to put it somewhere soft. It also has non-slip pads on the bottom so it'll stick in place. And it does require assembly, but it is so simple to do because it is just 2 screws. And it comes with the hardware you'll need. You just have to grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Personally, I think anybody who does their work or homework or studying with a laptop really should consider using a stand because it just helps so much with your posture while you're working. And this one is well made, so I can recommend it.